Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Trinidad and Tobago. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Government of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Ministry of Homeland Security website. Here, they have given the information about e-visa, as you can see. So once you are ready to apply and you determine that you actually need a visa, because they have a list also for the list of countries that whose nationals do not need a visa. Okay, so check if you are here. Okay, all right. Then once and they have photo specification and supporting documents list also. So make sure you go through that also. For example, supporting documents very important. Passport bio page, supporting a birth certificate for minor, accommodation where you're gonna stay, financial records, job letter, invitation company letter if they're inviting you. Okay. And of course, if they want, they can ask you additional documents too. Once you're ready, click on apply for. So check your photo. This service is like the photo that you already have meets the standards or not, that you can upload and check. This is to pay the fee. Track application link is also here. And any FAQ you have, you can go there. But in order to apply, click on apply for a visa. First, select your nationality. Whatever it is, do it as per your case. Purpose of visit, so many coming. Let's say beach vacations. Period in days, let's say you're going to go for long vacation, 120 days. Is the applicant passport valid for at least 6 months from the intended date of travel to? I select yes. We can apply it online. Perfect. So what are the things you need? Credit card to pay, required document and passport photo. Fine. Click on start application. So it's e-visa. So do it as per your own case. Don't see the sample values that I am doing. Date of birth. Again, these should match with your passport. Okay. It should not be that it doesn't. Yeah, that's okay. Passport detail. Make sure you have it. So it is in 7 tabs. 7th is the confirmation, 6 is for payment, 5 is to review, 4 is to upload. So tab 2 is very important. Okay, where we are on now, where we have application information when you are going to enter. Let's say you're going to enter on 31st December. Next. Title, you can select. Gender, country of birth, do it as per your own case and it should match with your passport. City of birth, nationality at birth, marital status, occupation, annual income. So you have to convert it into this Trinidad and Tobago dollars and then put. Ever deported from there? I select no. Means of support for the duration of stay, like so have you ever applied for a visa before? I select no. But if you have done, definitely do. Additional data. Convicted offenses, conviction. Have you ever visited this? I select no. Passport information. Issue date, expiry date. Country of issue. Permanent address, phone number, email, other address that you have. Number and street. Ah, city, town, the format. Country, phone number, of course. Email. Wow. Ah, confirm email. I could not copy it. Other name and address of employers. I'm leaving it, but definitely provide that because why would you hide it? Address or in Trinidad Tobacco. So if you have booked hotel, you know this, right? City, town, you know this. Reference one information, not mandatory, so I'm skipping it, but reference definitely provide. Why not? If accompanied by children, provide their details, so I'm not doing that. Next is to photo upload. After that, upload document, supporting document that we have gone through. Then review, then payment, and then confirmation. So again, like I'm not gonna do this, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.